spicy.
Ay nga pala, she didn't eat the spicy nga pala. I forgot.
No taste. No.
Mass Mud, Faster Jacks on Jay's dick. Now a little more P. Cole lost her shit.
You want the mocha latte or chocolate
Ay,
only?
ang gusto mo? Chocolate latte. Chocolate. Chocolate. Tea
Okay.
latte.
Mocha latte.
Oo.
Hot.
Bakit? Ayun, hindi ka pala sinunod.
Wala po. Tawag ako naman.
Baka suman sa atin to.
It's the RoboCop. Oh.
Ah, hot. Grabe to.
Is that yeah. I ordered the other foods and about compound.
Many.
So many. I said to your mama, adapt us please. I want here na. Hot.
Parang ano? Hindi ko siya maano.
Ang lasa.
Parang hipon. Masarap.
Ang dulog na ka.
Parang siyang ano, crispy eh. So masarap.
Thank you, Lord. Here na lang.
Crispy ba?
This one.
Mukbang. I think I need to
Rice.
Chicken.
yummy.
Yeah.
Yummy.
The vegetable, the bread, it's so giving.
A few moments later.
Yeah, just try this one.
Bibimbap.
Hindi ba?
Nagbibigyo si Tom.
Ay, nagbibis.
Spicy.
Ay nga pala, she didn't eat the spicy nga pala. I forgot. Oh, there is a price. I can get that.
But masala.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it because it's spicy.
It's very spicy.
You know what, guys? You need to come here in Taiwan. Here in Taiwan. And find this girl. I don't know if it's girl ba?
Yeah. Paklata.
Ito gusto mo? Pero I love this. Bago pa.
Ah, I'm full.
No, you're not cool.
No.
No.
So,
Spicy.
kakalahin mo masyado.
Yeah.
Sino nang gising sa'yo? My God, Celine! Ay, tinabihan ka.
Sabi niya tulog ka ng tulog, di natutulog.
Kaya nga, sino kaya to sabi?